the update on the stream. We had some really good rain last night and probably way early this morning before I was even conscious. So the flow of the little waterfall is greatly increased and much stronger, creating the foamy kind of frothy look. So yeah, rain, gotta love it. And the waterfall upstream, massive, massive after last night's rain. Look at how the water's flowing really super fast there. Realized I hadn't done a video of the green hillside of the hills behind the church and the park. Everything's greening up nicely now that we have rain.